1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less. In this lesson, we will review what 1 more and 1 less of a number is, as well as what 10 more and 10 less of a number is. You will need a pencil and a sheet of paper for this lesson. Draw 62 using a quick 10 drawing. According to your picture, how many 10s and 1s are in 62? You should have 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 1s. Show me one more than 62. Using our quick tens drawing, you can draw one more than 62 by adding an X to the side. So looking at your picture, what is one more than 62? It is 63. We now have 6 10s and 3 1s. So what is one more than 62? One more than 62 is 63. Notice how my tens place stayed the same. It did not change, but my ones place did change because I was adding one more to it. From 62 to 63, we added one more. Show me 62 with your drawing again. Now, show me 10 more than 62. Here is your 6 10s and your 2 1s, so there's 62, and you're going to draw one more 10. So 10 more than 62 is 72. So now we're going to use the arrow way to show this. How can you show 10 more than 62 using the arrow way? If you notice, we have 62 in our place value chart. We came up here, we drew our arrow, and we said plus 10. The tens place will increase by 1. So 6 10s plus one more 10 gives you 7 10s. And the ones place will stay the same. So 10 more than 62 is 72. We added 10 more to 62 and we now have the number 72. 6 10s plus one more 10 is 7 10s, and then 2 1s plus 0 1s is 2 1s. Draw 87 using a quick 10 drawing. According to your picture, how many 10s and 1s are in 87? You should have 8 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 10s and then 7 1s. Notice how I have them in a 5 group. Now that we have the number 87, I want you to show me one less than 87. In order to show one less, all you have to do is mark off 1. Notice how I have that red X on that dot. That is representing one less. I'm taking one away. So 1 less than 87 is 86. From 87 to 86, we subtracted 1. This is how we show it using the arrow way. 87 subtract 1 gives us 86. Show me 87 with your drawing again. Now this time, I want you to show 10 less than 87. So once you have your 8 10s and your 7 1s, you're going to mark off a 10. So if you cross out one quick 10, To show 10 less than 87, you should have 77 left in your drawing. Now let's do it the arrow way. Remember, your 10s will go down by 1 and your 1s will stay the same. So 87 minus 10 will give you, if you have 8 10s here and you're going to take away 1, that's going to give you 7 10s, and your 1s are going to remain the same. So you would have 7 1s. So we subtracted 10 from 87 and we came up with the number 77. 10 less than 87 is 77. In this lesson, we reviewed how to show 1 less, 1 more, 10 less, and 10 more using Quick 10 drawings and the arrow way.